Hello?
Hey.
Have you finished my jacket?
Oh, yes. This one.
Oh, good. Thank you. How much?
Oh, it's free. It's free. We are volunteers here.
Oh, thank
Okay.
you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. So,
Ciao.
bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. My laptop doesn't work anymore. Could you help me, please?
Yeah, of course, I can help you. But after finishing the radio, you can go 3 minutes break.
Yeah, of course.
you.
You will have
Yeah.
a look from the box, okay?
Yeah,
Thank
of course,
you.
of course. Thank you.
Hello.
Hey.
Are you really need chairs? Can I buy it then?
You can take it to your house. It's free.
Is it free?
Yeah, sure. If you really need it, okay. Also some coffee or tea, if you want.
Oh, thanks. Oh, is it today's newspaper?
Don't speak English, I speak German.
Hi. Hello. I speak both. Could I help you maybe? Oh, yes, great. Take your chair and Sorry. You want some coffee? I don't have to, yeah. Ja, danke.
Excuse me?
War schon zweimal in Berlin.
Oh, sehr schön. Can you give me some coffee?
Yes.
Thank you. Bitte schön.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Darfst du schon mal anfangen?
Leider nein.
Oh, hier sind wir. Oh.
Video?
Oh, yes. Yeah. Thank you. Danke.
You're welcome.
Ah.
Ich verändere etwas.
Je change.
يومود.
من خودم تغییر میتونم.
وبجيجيري الدنيا فوان غاري وجب
من خودم رو عوض میکنم.
وحبان بدلیا
मैं खुद को बदल सकता हूँ.
بدل जाओ بدل दाओ
Listen, Zeit.
I look the camera.
Oh, great! And you have to tell me about the coffee.
Don't speak English, I speak German. Stop.